And here we have the boil over no more in full boil. And as you can see, I have this on my large stock pot. The boil over no more lid comes in two sizes. This is actually the smallest of the two, and you can see it fits perfectly on my stock pot. I like the small one because I can also use it on a smaller pot. Anyway, this will prevent my pasta water or potato starchy water from boiling onto my stove, which incidentally I have just cleaned. Anyway, there you have another great product from Pampered Chef. Bye.